Yeah, this is Diаны and ANKUDINOVA. It's just a beginning, but I know that she's Diana.
Wow. Oops, sorry.
Hello everyone guys, hachimimashite watashi wa Yuba desu. So this time, don't worry goto, thank you so much my friends. So I'm so excited with this because it's another reaction video to Diаны and ANKUDINOVA. And I hope this is my not last, but because I want to see how more. So this is Fly on the Wings of Wind. So I'm so excited. So let's watch it and listen on her. Yeah, this is Diаны and ANKUDINOVA. It's just a beginning, but I know that she's Diana.
Wow. Oops, sorry.
What a very beautiful voice.
Hey.
Amazing, Diana.
Man.
What an amazing and wonderful performance from her. And as I listened to her, it looks like I am listening to an opera song, and she really nailed it. She's amazing. It's really different from the genre that she sang before, but right now it's an opera. I can remember here Dimash, just like that, that opera. I'm not perfect guys, I'm so sorry, but I really love that, yeah, the falsetto, an opera, opera singer, she's amazing. She really nailed it. Thank you so much. I love you all. Hello my friends, for more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel Humor Mimo, and please also follow my other social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, and on TikTok. So see you there, and I love you all guys. Thanks for watching. See you again.